Alright, Honda Accord 1994. We'll be replacing the rack and pinion on this vehicle. Alrighty, so first off, I'm going to remove the fluid from the reservoir right here. Alright. Alright, so we're using this pump right here to pump the fluid out of the reservoir. Alright, so we got the jack on, also supported by a jack stand, and now we are ready to remove the tire. Alright, also guys, we're going to have to remove this nut right here for the outer tie rod end. It's size 17. So, alright, a little bit of tap. Come off. There you go. And we'll have to do the same thing on the other side. Remove the wheels and also the outer tie rod end. Alright guys, so to remove this outer tie rod ends, we had to loosen this nut right there, and then count the number of turns on this one. Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, about 18 turns. Alrighty? Now we'll do the same thing on the other side. Alright, and then record the number of turns, left and also the right. Alright, so inside the vehicle, you want to secure the steering wheel right there with the seat belt. Alright, right there. So make sure steering wheel is at straight position. Alright, now we are ready to remove the steering column cover right there. Okay. Alright, so there are two plastic fasteners right there. Okay, we'll remove those two. Alright, now that it's off, we'll just go ahead and pull this thing out. It should come out just like that. Alright, so we got it out. This one right here. Alright, now we are ready to loosen that nut right there and nut down there. Okay. Alright guys, get them all disconnected now. Ready to work on getting the rack and pinion off from underneath. That guy is from underneath here. We're going to be removing these bolts right here. Bolts right there. 1, 2, 3 bolts right there. I'm going to be removing this hanger. And then this 2 bolts right there. And also removing this bolt right here. So I'm going to disconnect the pipe, the exhaust pipe. Alright. Alright, as you can see, I got one of the line off already. That was the size 14. Okay. And now I'm ready to work on the other line. Got one of the line off. As you can see, I got one of the line off. Alright, but now it's dripping fluid, so I'm going to let the fluid drain out first, then I'll work on the other line. Alrighty. There you go, guys. As you can see, I got both of the lines off already. Detached right there. Okay, now I'm ready to pull the rack and pinion out. Okay. Alright, guys. So before we pull this rack and pinion out, we want to shrink this by turning the steering wheel column. Alright, shrink this part of it right here, and then we'll pull it out. Alright, as you can see, we got it shrunk right there, almost 60%, you know, right there. So now should be able to pull this thing out with no problem. There you go, guys, it's coming out just like that. There, it's out. Now we just need to pull this thing out. Alrighty. Okay. Alright, okay, it's coming out. Okay. Like that. Alright, here we go. Alright, we got him out. Alright, guys, so here's the new one right here, and here's the old one. The old one, the reason we're replacing the old one is that there is a fluid coming out from here, and the fluid is going to the boots, and also then it start leaking fluid from the boots. And what we learn is this hose right here is supposed to be just the air flow going from one side to the other side right there. And that's what we learned from the auto store, I guess. So, but I want to show you a hole. There is a hole on this steering wheel casing over here where fluid coming out from this casing, and then fluid getting into the tubes, and then start leaking fluid. Okay. Alright, so here's that, And as you can see right there, there is a hole, and there is fluid coming out from that hole right there, and it's causing problem uh, about oil fluid leaks, stirring fluid leaks. Already, so that's the reason we are replacing this rack and pinion, because of that hole right there and fluid coming out from that hole. Alright. Alright guys, before we can install the new one, alright, first off, I'm going to measure again the length right here from there to the end of that one, and it's 10 inches right there, and then I put a mark right here. Now I'm ready to turn this to shrink this side. Okay. Alright, we're ready to shrink it by turning it counterclockwise. Okay, we got one full turn and about 3/4 right there. 3/4 turn. Already? Now we're ready to install the new one. Alright, waiting for installation. Alright, just like that. Okay. Alright, just like that. Alright, it's in. I just need to pull those plug in there and start the line. Start the line before I'll secure everything down. Okay, already. Alright guys, our rack and pinion is installed on this vehicle. There you go. Alright. There you go. There you go. Alright. There you go. Already, and thank you for watching my video.